Derek,
What?
put the sharp object down.
Why?
Because you're going to hurt yourself or someone else. Ah, don't do that, don't do that.
I'm the wrong target here.
Here.
Target practice. Let's go for the dragon. Ooh.
Give me the knives, please.
No. No. Back off. I will stab you in the boob. Back. Back.
One second. Hand it to me.
They're knives.
Hand it. Shiori.
Now be careful.
Shiori.
Shiori.
Take the camera.
Take the camera.
Give me the knives.
Take the camera.
Shiori, take the camera.
Shiori,
Why?
take the camera.
Take the camera.
Shiori, take the camera. Oh no! 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 No!
Oh, yeah.
No! 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 Okay, take the knives. Take the knives. Just don't stick me.
I forgot you're a black belt.
Yeah.
I had this toy. I had this toy. I had this toy.
Come on,
toy.
Derek.
I love this toy, but I lost it. But mine was like, it was actually orange. No, it was brown. It was brown. And
Hey,
orange
Lacey, can you text Jess and ask her if she has her keys?
stripes. What? She probably has her keys. I thought I saw her just leave with her keys.
Did she leave with her keys?
I'm pretty sure she left with her keys. I saw her
Okay.
leave with the keys. Why are you walking away? Why are you walking away? What? Why are you walking away? Why are you walking away? Go back here, bitch! I kicked you, bitch!
Because I just locked her door.
What did I do? Oh, but you didn't. Do not pass out. Do not collect $200.
I'm a tad frightened for his sanity and our safety.
I would eat you, children. Hey! Oh, you got a TV? Oh! Can I watch? Oh, what is this? They're gonna jump out of a plane.
Alright, seriously, have you taken anything that
They have
you don't usually...
pumpkin. They have pumpkin gelato. It's so good, especially if you like pumpkin bread muffins. It's a nice one.
I'm a tad frightened.
I see you, motherfucker. Will, this is for you.
We might have to sedate him. Are you texting Fernando?
Another worm.
Okay. Tell them to hurry, please. That's something red.
Yeah, what's that my shirt? Oh, there we go.
Mm.
I'm freaking hot! And the freaking rope! Why did I tie it in a knot?
No more gelato for him.
We could like spin it over. We can understand.
I'm burning out. Somebody calm me down.
This is going on Facebook.
I'm a nut. You're a nut.
Someone help him? Okay.
This is. What the hell? The hell is this? Open sesame. Okay, okay, this is legitimate. I am set. Ooh. Oh no, that doesn't work. Oh, that doesn't help at all. Oh.
You got it?
I got it. Okay. That doesn't help a bit. See this? She already is an alcoholic. She has a drinking problem. Real bad drinking problem. I don't. Hey! Who's that guy? Why am I still doing this for you? They don't go together. I have come to take your children for scientific experiments.
I wonder how long this can go on.
Very, very long time. Don't
break it!
See if the soup is ready. Hold on, I get some of the chicken bits.
That's uncooked burgers. I can kill you. Mr. Fernandez is gonna be coming up with his line.
Here's our lunch for the dinner, Ma.
Follow me, just let him talk.
See that? That's gonna feed our whole family for a week. I gotta get it nice and ready.
Do not.
Smells good.
Don't put them looking.
Oh.
Tomorrow he's gonna have a hangover in class.
Don't mess with the butter either. The butter.
Oh! I'll put it back for tomorrow. Okay, riddle me this. Where's your cheese? Where the butter is supposed to go? You gotta be civilized about this. You harmless sexy. I'm dead sexy. Look at my sexy body.
Is he coming?
No! You can't take me home. Can't take me home. Can't take me home.
I need you to show me your history syllabus, damn it. So I'm taking you home anyway.
No! I don't want to go home.
Come on, there's nothing wrong up there. It's an entertaining, relaxing music, low lights. What do you want?
Please tell me he doesn't have a guy
away
over.
from the gelato.
Gelato? What? Yeah, exactly. Gelato. We gotta get some gelato. Let's go. Let's go right now. Gelato.